to Chiara DIY. What? Today we have day 6. Day 6, and I'm super excited because we are halfway through this 12 days. Where did the time go? How did we get here? The good thing is that we've started super early and the Christmas season has just started. So that means that we still have so much more of the season to go. Today I have these stocking holders. If you missed that DIY, click up here, please. You have to see it. You have to see it. Back to these. These are my Dollar Tree DIY stocking holders. And these were, like, when I say super easy, I'm not even kidding. Like 10 minutes tops for both of them. So I'm going to tell you what you need. I'm going to tell you how to do it. I'm going to get this show on the road. Not waste any more time. Don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you are subscribed down below. Click that bell so that you're notified each time I upload a video. And you won't miss what I have going on here. So, yeah. Let's get into the DIY, guys. Okay, so you need 2 cutting boards from the Dollar Tree. I will link the vinyl SVGs down below. The picture hanger I got from Home Depot and some hangers from the Dollar Tree. Now you will want to measure out where you'll put the picture hanger. So I think it was about a 1/2 inch down from the top and about 3.5-ish inches across, directly in the middle. These nails that came in the packet with the picture hanger are really small, so you have to be patient with them because it did take a little bit for me to actually get it stuck in there. But you do want to use the smaller nails because the cutting board is only so thick and you don't want it to go through the cutting board. Now take the vinyl, get it nice and tight. I have discovered that I'm not a big fan of this vinyl that I've been using. It has been from the Target Bullseye Playground. It's like $1 a sheet. I have found that it's not the best vinyl, so I probably won't use it again, but it worked fine for this project. The hook will probably stay without adding E6000, but for that extra security, depending on how much you want to put in the stocking, I added some E6000 for extra hold, and I found it to be a great fit. Go ahead and start on the second one, and same thing with the vinyl. You just need a little TLC to get it on there, but once you have it stuck on there, it was perfectly fine. It didn't move or anything like that. How easy was that? Literally. Like, I know. So, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial because it was super easy and took little to no work at all, right? I mean, the Dollar Tree did most of the work for us with these things. So, check out Simply Mindy and all of the other ladies who are in the collab down below. If you're not subscribed by now, I don't know what you're doing. I don't know who you've been talking to, but make sure you click that subscribe button down below and make sure you click the bell so that you're notified each time I upload a video. And if you missed my tutorial from yesterday, click this down below so that you can see what I was up to yesterday. And we'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.